got a new toy.
Papa's got a brand new bag.
It's gonna be a shotgun effect.
No, not two, Peter.
We just put loads of little bits in there. One nice bit and then load of little bits in front of it.
I need some fucking light over there.
Go stand over there, man. Oh, someone turn the car around.
No, because we didn't get seen then.
Yeah, that's the point. You know the mix, man.
That's
it.
Your turn.
Mark II potato cannon that doesn't explode.
It's not my turn.
Yeah.
Go on, Edge, it's heavy.
Do it, man. It's heavy.
Don't use that much next time.
But there's going to be residual in there, isn't there? So
Yeah.
it's gonna be
I don't know, it should burn up pretty well. So another click, it should light, in other words. If there was residual, wouldn't it?
It would.
Mind you, there's been a lack of oxygen.
It's got some pop to it though, isn't it?
That was a pretty good one, man. No chip through that. Put out my front window. Did you get that on tape?
Yeah, man.
It's my turn, but I'm still actually scared.
No, it's heavy.
Oh, mate, after last time, I was surprised.
Did you feel my finger? That was Mark 1.
Look over it. Look over it.
In. Don't spray that much in again, man. Just like a tiny little. Just touch it as quick as you can. Yeah. Tiny bit, man.
That's it. Cap on!
Dad, clear.
I'm doing it. Why ain't it lit? Why ain't it gone off?
Go on!
Why ain't it gone
Oh,
off?
don't point that
It's
thing
fake.
over here.
It's fake for my fucking go.
Go on, Edge.
Come on, man.
Go on!
Click it, man. Right, that's a misfire. You've got to air it out. Point it, man.
We're gonna stop.
Do another one, man. I'm not going to another go. I forgot to shoot the fence in all my excitement.
Good.
I feel like man.
I think I've got that on camera. I'm going to send the other one to you being framed.
Oh, fuck, man. I think it's gone tacky, actually. I think it just touches you.
What's that?
It's his dinner. Yeah, it's time to go in, man.
Oh, I've got to shoot off in a bit anyway because I've got to take Dan back.
You just find a potato cannon.
Oh, that's a nice one.
Oh, what? That's a bit hard, isn't it?
There you go, man.
Is that a bit hard?
I don't know. Oh.
That's a bit hard. No.
You ain't going to get it coming out.
Just put it in the
Yeah, there's a nice warm curry waiting for me at home.
I had a lime green curry last night.
Nice, man.
Shoot.
They're all
On
great.
the coast. Fucker!
You see it lighting inside.
It's lighting like a flame. If that was going to go off, the flame would have.
It's because there's too much air in it where you've got all that tube in it. Bang!
You're right there. Too much oxygen. Oh, that's how